Hello friends, this is Honest Study, and in this video, let's see the lecture 1 of Discovering Tut. The saga continues. This story was written by A.R. Williams. This story is about the King Tut who died at his teenage, and he is the last heir of his family who ruled Egypt and its empire for centuries. History of Tut. Amenhotep III, who is the father or grandfather of Tut, ruled his country for 4 decades, and he left his throne at the 18th dynasty. Next came the successor Amenhotep IV, and his ruling time is one of the strangest and as well as strategist period of ancient history that many archaeologists would say. What initiative he done is he started worshipping Aten, the sun disk, and he changed his name from Amenhotep to Akhenaten. He also shifted the capital of the country from Thebes to Akhenaten. One of the bad work he done at his ruling time is he attacked the god Amun, and he closed all the temples based on Amun. And it's one of the horrible time of the ancient history that many archaeologists and many discoverers would say. Next came the successor Smenkhkare, and he really ruled only for the shortest period, that many people would not know that a king came here and ruled this period. Next came the king Tutankhaten, who sat on the throne after Smenkhkare, and he changed his name to Tutankhamun. The meaning of Tutankhamun is living image of god Amun. He got back all the old ways of the god Amun, and he ruled for 9 years and died unexpectedly. That many people expect that he would have died because of a murder. Next, taking Tut out of his tomb. Tomb means where they bury his body, which is shaped nearly like his body. When the archaeologist was taking his body out of his tomb, there was a strong wind, ghostly dust devils, and the clouds were revolving around the valley. The ancient Egyptian cemetery is where the many bodies of the kings were buried, and it is also called as Valley of Kings. This is very important date according to this lesson. January 5, 2005 at 6 p.m. the world's most famous mummy was taken into CT scanner. CT means computer tomography. This CT scanning was done because of 2 questions. When did Tut die and how was he dead? Actually, the truth is he died more than 3,300 years ago. This is the exact period when he died. Next, when the Tut was taken out of his tomb, many visitors and tourists came to pay respect, and many watched the paintings around the walls. Some were looking at the glided face of the Tut, and many Orthodox peoples were reading the guidebooks, whispering, and many were wondering about the pharaoh curse, which is true, that if anyone disturbed the pharaoh, then they would be cursed with a death or a bad time. They also thought about the untimely death. What does mean by untimely death? The death during teenage means a less aged man, how he can die. That was their thinking. Thank you.